All right, y'all, this week's walkthrough Wednesday is 8616 Jeanette Street, offered at $385,000. 3 beds, 2 baths, just about 1,600 square feet. And I'm really excited to show y'all this one because it is just such an immaculate renovation. And you'll see as soon as we walk in, it's just a cut above what you normally see. We've maintained a lot of our original features, these gorgeous hardwood floors, some of my favorite I've seen this year. Just in the way that they look clean and new, but also have that historic feel. They've kept our fireplace and mantle. Come through here to our first bedroom, looking out at the street. We're having an open house today, so it's a little bit set up for that. Here's our closet for this bedroom. Just your standard closet. Here's our first of 2 bathrooms. It's a full bath. It's really just very elevated. It's simple, but beautiful. I like this too, how this is just kind of a floating shelf. It's not something you see every day. So then through here to our second bedroom. This is really a large bedroom. You've still got some of that fireplace there. And a huge closet in this. This is usually more of what you'd see in the master suite. It goes all the way up. So I like the way we have this double parlor effect here. Just a very nice open floor plan. This has got to be my favorite kitchen on the market right now. Has everything you need, nothing crazy, but all stainless steel appliances. I love the dark blue on the cabinets. Really goes great with these countertops. And offset by the hardwood floors. Just a beautiful kitchen. I would say the perfect kitchen. Like I said, $385,000. Here is our washer dryer area. I love how they kept the hardwood floors through there. Really a charming house. It's all about the little details, the little accent pieces he puts, and the floor plan, and those elevated features that really make this a cut above your typical new construction. Here's our large backyard, all newly fenced in with a deck. This is our master suite we're in right now. Takes us through to a huge walk-in, walk-through closet, because this closet takes us into our master bath. Again, the same floating shelves, floating vanity, rather. It's such an interesting house. Everywhere you look, great lines of sight, great aesthetic quality to this home. So here we are, 8616 Jeanette Street, offered at $385,000. This one will not last long. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a tour, please reach out to Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004. This is Jacob with Chris Smith's office, signing off. Thanks for watching.